Hi again. Now we will continue with implementing remote access VPN. I would like to try to connect this Windows 10 VM2 to the first one via VPN, RDP. That's it. Windows 10 VM2 can RDP Windows 10 VM via VPN, and then it's like I'm working from home. I copy the this VM machine, and connect it to VMnet 8 instead of VMnet 1. So they are not seeing each other, they have different IP. This one is 10.5.4.11 and this one 10.5.150. It's like the internet for us. Instead of connected it via router and everything, the VMware workstation simulated. So let's see. We have the first Windows 10. We see the YouTube. This one is via the firewall. It's not working, as you can see. And we have the gateway, the firewall. This is the dashboard. And we have the copy one that can do everything because it's not behind the firewall. If we look again at the scheme, we see this one is not behind the firewall. This one, it's like at home. Now we will configure the remote access VPN. So first of all, I will change the platform portal. As you can see, it's HTTPS, and I want to keep the HTTPS to the VPN. So I will use 1 minute. I will use something like 4434. It's very common. You can change it to whatever you like. And I will add it to the policy. Otherwise, I cannot access. You see this one HTTPS. I will do it clone. I will change this one. Maybe I will not do a clone. I will configure a new TCP port so I can be sure that it will work for me. New TCP. There is no way it will not work. Let's do the install and check that it's working. Then I will add the mobile blade. I will try to connect the user. Instead of regular HTTPS, I will add the port number. The status now I see installation is finished. We can see that we are still connected. We are connected on 4434. Now let's configure the mobile blade. I will add the mobile blade. I don't need mobile device, and For now on, I will use only the SSL VPN. I don't want the end client, the endpoint VPN. So let's start with the demo. I can add later. I don't have the Active Directory in my lab, but it's a good idea. I will add, they ask for user test. It's fine for me. I will use the same passwords. I don't remember lots of passwords. User test, we just need to remember for no more than 8. Bug. Okay. So if I need to remember, I will use VPN1. Now I think we will change it to the external interface. 10513. This is the external interface. This should be VPN1. Okay. Finish. Okay. Let's go to the mobile blade. Where can I see it? I need to install. No, here. Okay. Mobile blade. It's open an older client, like the R77. We have EVA license. Okay, let's check the policy. This is by default. It had my user. We will have word clock. For I will configure a new rule, and I will configure native application. Display name RDP to VM1, and will Win10 VM, and service, we will use the RDP default port. I will configure the remote desktop protocol. That's it. Install on Win10 VM2 can RDP Win10 VM1 from home via VPN. Let's give it a try. I will do save and install. And we will try. The installation succeed. We will try to VPN with the user and password. We can see we have the world clock, but the RDP still doesn't work. In the next video, we will see how we can make it here, visible here to RDP. Bye for now.